Hi, I'm Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I thought I would share with you this box that I made as an alternate idea for using the March 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit, May Good Things Grow. And so to make the box, we're going to use the gift bag punch board. And then I've got two pieces of cardstock, for one for the top and one for the bottom. This Night of Navy piece is 3 1/4 by 11, and we're going to start by pulling out the scoring tool here and scoring along the top, and then lining up this left hand edge with the line here and punching. And then I'm going to come down at the small line and score and move this across. We're going to score along here and then line up this vertical score line with the line here and punch, and then we're going to repeat. Okay, oh, forgot my last punch. Okay, let's move these pieces out of the way. And then I have a second piece of cardstock here that is 3 1/2 by 11. And we're just going to feed that in and line it up with the vertical line here and punch. And then we need to back that out just slightly. And then to score, we're going to back it up just a smidge so that this edge is just to the right of the line instead of on the line. And then we're going to score at the small section and come on across and score and punch. And then we're going to back this up just a little bit so that this line is just to the right of this line, and then come over here, score across the top and punch. And then we're going to move this back again so that our score line is just to the right of this vertical line, and score across the top and punch. And then we're going to move this back again just to the right and score and come across the top, and then one more punch. And now we're ready to put the box together. Let me move these out of the way. Put that out of the way. So we're going to burnish each one of our score lines. Whoops. Let's move that out of the way. And then we're going to trim here. And then we'll add our glue. Okay, so as I said, we'll add our glue here on the tab. And we're just going to fold this over and hold it for a moment. And I think, yes, we want to make sure that we're not overlapping the fold here. Okay, and then fold in each one of these tabs. And then we're going to put 2 down and put adhesive on the other 2. Okay, and then fold these, and I'm going to use a couple of the grid lines here to make sure that I'm square, and then flip it over, and again using the grid lines, lining up at a bottom and a side, make sure that I've got a right angle, and so I'm square. Now we'll put this piece aside and trim off and then fold, and we're going to burnish each of these and add a little adhesive here and bring this over and line them up so that we're to that fold in the score line but not overlapping. Okay, while I hold, I'm going to go ahead and fold these tabs down. I want to hold this just a moment longer because the that side tab is small. Okay, and then we're going to put 2 down. So I'm going to bring my box bottom back in and slide it into my lid. I like to do that. It helps to make sure that the 2 pieces will absolutely fit together, and it's an easier way to keep it square. Okay, and then we're just going to hold that in place a moment and flip it over, and then I'm going to give this a press, and there we have it. We have a Night of Navy and Crumb Cake version of the same box that we have here in Fresh Fig and Crumb Cake. Thanks for stopping by today. You can find all the details for the May Good Things Grow Paper Pumpkin Kit in the link in the description for this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and then hop on over to theartfulinker.com. This was Sara, the Artful Inker. Have a great day. Bye.